natutunan ko sa Angkor Wat is kasi amazing the determination nila. Binuo nila yung mga temple. Imagine this big block of stone, sinakit nila sa napakataas na ilang feet.
As a daughter of God and a disciple, sobrang blessed ako and thankful kasi yung God natin is so amazing and powerful na kaya na i-provide lahat sa atin. Kasi lahat ng comfort na sa atin na hindi na natin kailangan magpakahirap, magbuhat ng mga stones katulad ng ginagawa nila.
GCC or Global Competence Class started off bilang isang panaginip ni Pastor Ancho. Natutunan namin from Pastor Ancho's heart na gusto niyang magkaroon ng isang school where we can set up missionaries to go to the nations of the world. At from there, it sprung out and it is now on its 7th year kung saan ang mga estudyante ay nagpupunta ng Singapore, Indonesia, Malaysia, Vietnam, Cambodia, and Thailand. Life College and Life Church has one heart, and this heart is to make an impact to the generations of the world. Hindi lang dito sa Puerto Princesa, but prepare them for their lives outside, maybe in the marketplace, maybe in politics, maybe in media, maybe in different sectors of our society. But this is one heart because we are part of one house. At para sa amin na nagtatrabaho on both sides, Life College and Life Church, nakikita ko ang effectivity when we bring students out and we make them ready and able agents of change for our society. In line with Pastor Ancho's dream, the team behind the GCC, or the men and women that works toward making this dream a reality, invests and adds on their dream. At dito natin makikita ang pag nagsama-sama ang mga bagay na himinimithi ng maraming tao. Greater things are to be expected. As a matter of fact, 7 years na ang GCC, and there are more than 91 students and staff na nakasama na sa pagpunta sa iba't ibang bansa. At napakaraming realizations ng mga taong pumupunta and a lot of learnings from our students and staff that now becomes part of the way they serve, the way they communicate the love of God to the people around them. So why GCC? Why travel? Because Pastor Ancho believes, Life College believes, and even Life Church believes that learning is not confined in the four corners of the classroom. As a matter of fact, tayong mga believers, we should go out of our comfort zone to reach others because we need to tell others that Jesus Christ is the King. Jesus Christ came to earth. Jesus Christ came to die and to pay for our sins. Imagine the power of a dream, a singular dream impacting the lives of the people around them. Imagine God's dream for us and for the people around us. Imagine the power of our giving. Ang iyong pagbibigay ay nagbibigay pakpak para sa pangarap at panaginip ng maraming tao na magkaroon ng katuparan. Ano kaya ang pangarap ng Panginoon para sa iyo? Ano kaya ang pangarap ng Panginoon para sa tao sa paligid mo? Hindi kaya ito nagsisimula sa isang pagbibigay? Kaya ngayong araw na to, I challenge you. Start to give. Give for the house of God. Give for the work of the Lord. Because dahil sa iyong pagbibigay, maraming tao ang naliligtas. Dahil sa iyong pagbibigay, maraming pangarap ang nabibigyang